blush applied properly can instantly uplift your face and can make your skin look younger. And if not, then you're ready to look like a clown. Hi guys, this is Surabhi Chauhan and today I will tell you how you can apply blush like a pro in just few easy steps. So let's just quickly jump into the video. There are few techniques that you can follow to get that perfect flush of color on your cheeks. The first one is where we should apply the blush, the exact area where the blush should be applied. So for that we need to follow some steps. There is this very famous rule which is called two-finger rule, where you just need to keep your two fingers in here between the nose and the cheek area, and from here this is the area where your blush should end. It should not go beyond this. The next thing that you can check is the area your cheekbones start. This is the portion from where you should start applying your blush, and it should go till here where you cannot feel any of the bones on your cheek. But do not go beyond this, because this is the area where you should contour your face and not highlight, because then it will make your face look more chubbier. Always apply blush in this portion, or you can make your face look like a fish, something like this. Now there you can see the popped up cheek. That is the perfect place where you should put the blush. With the right place to apply blush comes the right tool to apply it, and which is this kind of blush brush, which is flattened toward one end and it is round and puffed up toward the other. You should always apply blush from the flattened end and should clear up the excess from the puffed up end. Take a generous amount of blush on the brush, dust up the excess, and then apply on the desired area. Have a big smile while applying a blush and go in very gentle and soft motion. And if you feel if there is some excess amount of blush or it is uneven, you can always dust it off with a round area like this. Like this portion of my face looks a little bit defined, and you can see the flush of color on my cheeks, which looks utterly beautiful, and this portion look blunt. This is the perfect way with which you can apply blush. So that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, then come back for more such videos. Until then, stay happy, healthy, and obviously enjoy shopping and makeup, guys. Bye bye.